What's the meaning of adjustable spanner? Adjustable spanner. Adjustable spanner. Adjustable spanner. Adjustable spanner. Adjustable spanner. An adjustable spanner, also known as an adjustable wrench, is a type of wrench that features an adjustable jaw which allows it to fit a variety of different sized nuts and bolts. The jaw can be adjusted by turning a screw mechanism located near the head of the tool. This feature makes it a versatile tool for use in various applications, such as plumbing, automotive repair, and construction. Its ability to fit multiple sizes means it can replace the need for several individual wrenches, saving time and space in a toolbox.